Hey, welcome back. This is your boy, your host, Yellow Backpack Guy, and welcome back to the channel. I've been having problems with my Cardo Black, and hopefully I'm going to get the firmware updated here very soon, and we can give that a try, give it a go with the new firmware, because this thing's just cutting in and out. It's almost like it's barely listenable. You can barely listen to it right now. It's so bad. So we'll see. It's supposed to be like the top of the line model, but it is definitely underperforming. It's not loud enough. It's cutting in and out. Voice commands are okay most of the time, but it's just not up to like Cardo standards. Like, I hope the firmware update is the one fix all, but we'll see. I just got this like a month ago too, so it's totally, it better be totally covered under warranty. But we'll see. My PackTalk Slim, that thing has been great. Like, that thing worked right out of the box, no problem. But this PackTalk Black, Cardo Black, it definitely needs some TLC. So we'll see. I'll see you in a little bit. We'll put it on the computer and try and do firmware update and then come back to this in a little bit. All right.